Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss with you about Fotojet Designer. This is a very easy designer for PCs. You don't need any professional skill to work with this application. In your internet browser, just type Fotojet Designer and search it. Visit to the official website and download and install the application. I have already installed the application, so I just open it. The interface would be like this. Here you can see there are various kinds of templates are available for your various requirements. Posters, invitations, cards, magazine cover, Facebook cover, YouTube channel art, Facebook post, Instagram post, and for marketing needs, social media headers, social media post, events, and miss. So you have two options. Either you can choose one of these predefined templates and work with it, or you can choose custom size. So I just want to make a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube channel art template is available, but YouTube thumbnail is not available here. So I want to make YouTube thumbnail using the custom size option. Just click here, then YouTube thumbnail would be 1280 into 720. Apply. Now I have created an ideal YouTube thumbnail platform. After that, here I have to choose a background first of all. Just click this option and choose a background. I think this would be much better. Done. Then press photo option. So there are 4 photos given, but I want to use a just downloaded nature photos. So press add photo. Here I have 3 photos in which I have to choose this one first. So once I just open the photo, I want to just click over it. Done. Then want to resize. I just resize the photo. I just keep this empty because I want to add the text here. So if I want to choose another photo, I have to again click add photo, go to here and choose the photo. So I have to keep this photo here. So I just resize and keep here. Now friends, I want to add a text. So press text option, and there are many sample texts available. I like this, so press it, drag and resize, and I have to place this here. So you can type whatever you want. I want to type here nature beauty, so I do type it nature beauty. Done. So now this particular box is available for the for changing the text style. So now I want to change. If I want to change the font, I want to click desired font. I like this font. So yeah, I like this better than that one. So I can keep it here. And after that, by choosing the effect section, you can change the outline color of this text. I like this. Then glow option is there. You can choose a color. I like this color. And radius. Okay friends, almost done. Now I want to choose a subheading also. I like this style, so I choose it, resize it, and want to place here. And here I want to type flowers. Okay, done. Resize, and here also I want to edit the text, glow, and I want to use some outline also. Friends, this is the simple editing using this Fotojet Designer. There is one more option, clip art. So I want to choose a nature clip art, nature related clip art. I like this flower, so just place it here. Okay friends, this is very easy, no? So when you compare other professional paid option for photo designing, this Fotojet Designer free software is very easy to work. No professional knowledge is required. Okay, now I have almost done. Now you can first of all save this as a project. It means that once you save this one as a project, later on you can work with this particular size and particular design, and it saves your time also. So first of all I just save it as a project by clicking here, save project. Yes, and want to choose the location. I'm going to save here in my download folder. Then want to give a name. I just give nature beauty. Done. Now you can save this as a photo also. So this photo is the one that you are going to upload to YouTube as a YouTube thumbnail. So I save this as a photo also. There are two options, JPG and PNG. I want to save it in JPG format, so I just press save, choose the location, then give a name, again nature beauty. Okay friends, that's all. And as I said you, this is very easy designing software for your PCs. Please subscribe this channel for more similar videos.